Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete and remove the guest account on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So, do you want to go ahead and disable the guest account on your PlayStation 4 so people can no longer just log in on your PlayStation? Well, this is actually very easy to do. So if I go to new user and I go to play as guest, I'm able to go ahead and create a quick account on my PlayStation. So I can easily disable the guest login if I go to one of my profiles. So let's go to Timbo Slice and log in with my passcode. Now, let's go up to the top and go to settings and scroll on over. Select this. Now go down to parental controls / family management. Then go to PS4 system restrictions. Now enter in your passcode for this. For me, it's the default passcode 0000. So right at the top, it says new user creation and guest login. If you select not allowed, you can prevent people from creating new users or logging in as guests on this PS4. Also, existing users who have never signed into PlayStation Network will be unable to sign into PlayStation Network. So you can completely lock down your PlayStation 4 by going to not allow. So pretty much only the existing accounts will be allowed on this PlayStation 4. And when you go back to that switch user screen, you won't be able to create another account or log in as guest. So let's go to not allow and then just see what it looks like. So let's hold down the PlayStation button and then go to log out and see if we can still make a guest account now. So let's press the PlayStation button and go to new user. It says use of this feature is not allowed due to parental controls. So my PlayStation 4 is now completely locked down. And if you put a passcode on your account like I did, nobody who doesn't have permission to play this PlayStation will be able to play. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.